Tim and his toys. There is a boy named Tim. Tim loves toys. He has many toys in his room. There is a red car, a blue ball, and a yellow teddy bear. Tim likes to play with his toys every day. He takes the red car and rolls it on the floor. Then he throws the blue ball up in the air and catches it. Finally, he hugs the yellow teddy bear and tells it a story. Tim's favorite toy is the red car. He loves to make it go fast and zoom around the room. But sometimes he accidentally crashes the car into the wall. Tim's mom tells him to be careful with his toys. She reminds him that he needs to put them away when he is finished playing. Tim listens to his mom and puts his toys in their special place. He knows that if he takes care of his toys, they will last a long time and he can continue to play with them and have fun. One day, Tim's friend Jack comes over to play. Jack likes to play with toys too. Tim shows Jack his toy collection and they decide to play with the blue ball together. They start by rolling the ball back and forth to each other. Then, they throw the ball up in the air and try to catch it. Jack accidentally throws the ball too hard and it hits the ceiling. They both laugh and Tim's mom comes in to see what's so funny. She sees the two boys playing and smiles. She asks them if they would like some cookies and milk. They both nod and follow her to the kitchen. After they finish their snack, Tim and Jack go back to playing with the toys. They play with the red car, making it go fast and jump over ramps. They also play with the yellow teddy bear and pretend it's a superhero. When it's time for Jack to go home, Tim puts his toys away in their special place. He says goodbye to Jack and tells him he can come back to play with the toys anytime. Tim is happy that he has friends to play with and he knows that his toys bring him joy and happiness. He looks forward to playing with them again tomorrow. On the weekend, Tim's family goes on a picnic. Tim brings his favorite toys along to play with. He shows his toys to his cousins and they all play together. They play catch with the blue ball and take turns racing the red car. They also have a picnic with the yellow teddy bear, pretending to share their sandwiches with it. After the picnic, Tim's family goes for a walk in the park. Tim takes his toys with him and they continue to play together. They even make a game of finding things in the park that match the colors of their toys. As the sun starts to set, Tim's family packs up and heads back home. Tim puts his toys away and goes to bed with a smile on his face, thinking about all the fun he had playing with his toys that day. The next day, Tim wakes up early and goes to his toy collection. He decides to have a tea party with the yellow teddy bear and his other stuffed animals. He sets up a table with his toy dishes and pours tea for everyone. Tim loves his toys and he knows that they will always be there for him whenever he wants to play. He takes good care of them and enjoys spending time with them every day.